Jessica came in season 1 as a last replacement and did not get a warm welcome from the other girls.
Yes. Just you, Jess. Yes. How you doing, girl?
Good.
How you enjoying the new house?
It's pretty good.
We're
having some fun over here.
I know.
Yeah, we are. Join in, girls. Join in.
But Rosie decided to give her a chance and got to know Jessica, and they bonded.
Fake people.
If they say that they're your friends,
They're not fake. They're
you saw exactly how they were. And they're ratchet, like the things that they do.
Things changed when PCH started to mess with Jessica to get her out of the house, and Rosie and Margarita joined for fun.
Up down. That would be childish, huh?
With all the girls messing with her, it was kind of shocking to see that Jessica went straight for the person who was actually giving her a chance, and they fought twice.
When I came in this house, these bitches, they're like, oh hi, what's your name, where you from? And all of a sudden, they're coming, oh how you doing, touching me, and this girl, Rosie, touching me. So, I beat her ass. Simple as that.
Continue, come on.
Don't touch my face. Don't touch my hair. Don't put your hands on my stuff. Oh no. Don't touch my face. Thank you. Don't worry, I get up. What's that? You coughing? What is that? You need a adult license? You need a copy? I think she does need a license right now.
With the whole house against Jessica and her only friend turning on her, Jessica left the house. But she left with a big bang, thus ending the friendship between Rosie and Jessica.
Did you wipe with that? That's disgusting.
Like, are you like into girls or anything?
Kate went into the house as the last replacement on season 2, and the other girls that was in the house was Candy and Mikayla.
The moment you've all been waiting for. Beautiful has arrived. Hi.
Candy and Mikayla didn't give Kate a warm welcome, but Mikayla decided to give Kate a chance, and those two easily bonded.
Okay, so Kate.
Like, are you like into girls or anything like that?
Hell no. Girl, I like dick. But I have done stuff with girls before.
Ooh,
But you know, keep it on the low, cause
girl, you know, low over here. You mean I go both ways. I don't discriminate.
With them forming a new friendship and trying to get Candy out the house,
I don't want you. Is that why? Cause she came in and told like I want you. Bitch, do I like bitch? Okay. Don't mess with it, honey. Don't mess with it. You need to okay, no, you need to go. Actually, my dad will get you a flight out of here. Okay. My dad. Mute. Does your daddy know? Mute. Does your daddy know you fuck hoes? Mute. I don't even know. Girl, what are you talking about? Oh, okay. You gonna try to put that on me? Right. You gonna try to be ready to put that on me? Her daddy probably ordered you. Alright. You gonna try to be ready to put that on me? I see. What you trying to do? What you trying to do? Should I do her a favor? Throw the trash in the trash?
Exactly. Throw trash in the trash. Like, out the door.
Excuse me, Sadiddy, your stuff waiting for you at the door.
25 minutes, girl.
At the door. Get to it.
Candy decided to put the bug in Mikayla's ear and turn Mikayla against Kate.
Okay, so you can understand what I'm trying to say to you. That bitch in there is only trying to get with you because she knows your daddy's balling, okay? She's a gutter bitch. It's gutter bitch instincts.
Are you for real? Bro, we was just taking shots.
Like, she knows you're not into girls, but she gonna turn you out and you gonna pay her.
So she want me for, oh, okay. So she want me for my money. Oh.
Kate was surprised Mikayla was easily influenced by Candy.
Is that right?
What are you talking about?
I think you know what I'm talking about.
You were drunk.
Okay, Candy? No.
I may be a little drunk, but I'm not a water weights like you. I can still beat you down.
No, you can't. Abby. Girl, you're not gonna do this. You're not gonna do this. Are you serious?
You old.
But you don't want to admit it though.
What am I talking about
But you don't want to admit it though.
You are too drunk.
Bro, I don't know what you're talking about.
Exactly. You can't even stand up.
You get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me, girl.
Stand up.
You ain't nobody serious.
The two girls fought 3 times and it was uncontrollably crazy.
Stop what? Bro, she's talking shit behind my back.
You are lightweight. You too drunk.
You a heavyweight. Oh.
Wait. Stop.
Candy's plan worked, and she got Mikayla to get Kate out of the house.
You know what? Okay. Whatever. I don't need this. Fuck you and your ratchet ass show. Ratchet Girls Club. Y'all don't know what ratchet is.
And the Mikayla and Kate show quickly came to an end.
Bye, you dumb ass hoe.
During season 1, Natalie and Devin both became friends because they realized they were both from Chicago.
So,
Where are you guys from?
Chicago.
Miami.
Chicago girl?
Girl?
Oh my gosh!
I'm from Miami.
Alright, I'll just ruin my Chi-Town girl, right?
Right?
Things changed when Natalie got tired of Devin's drunk antics.
Can you even make it up the stairs? Oh no.
Look at that.
That's why I don't do stuff like this.
I'm not that bad, am I?
No, I'm really bad.
Good night, Regina.
I don't even know where.
How are we even supposed to go to sleep? You're so inconsiderate.
I don't even know where I'm
Devin's hair, like it is all fucked up, and she's walking around like she's the hottest thing. I don't know who she thinks she is.
Honey, fix your
I
damn
can't
hair.
deal with y'all
Fix your hair. Look at the hair.
When Natalie tried to make things better with Devin, things took a wrong turn, which made Natalie to dedicate herself to try and get Devin out of the house.
Acting like what?
Nobody is making fun of you. We're just
Bitch,
trying
yes
to
you
tell
are.
you. Are you for real? Like gonna get an attitude
You didn't
right
have to
now?
put her. Can I smoke my cigarette?
They were just trying to help you.
That's what you think you are doing. It's time to go. No, she didn't.
Go ahead.
It's time to go.
Honey,
What are you taking?
these bitches think they bad, but back home it's 10 times worse. This ain't nothing. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
Natalie got what she wanted and got the whole house to turn against Devin. Candy entered the season 3 house with a wall up, not wanting to make friends with anybody, but the first person she saw was Shantae.
Yeah. Do you know, are you the maid? Who the fuck you talking to? I am Shantae. Do you see anybody else in the room? Someone's not getting a tip. That's what I'm thinking right now, right?
Candy realized Shantae had her back on the first night when she fought Regina.
Bitch, shut the fuck up. I can't stand your ass. Like, you just... Ugh, you're so ugly. Yes.
I mean, we just walk in the room. Exactly.
I'm not...
We just want to talk to y'all. Exactly.
I'm not talking to you or you. Shut up. Shut up. Like, I can't talk to you because I'm sick and tired of all that shit that you've been spewing.
After a few days in the house, Candy began to get annoyed with Shantae with her excessive crying, overload beating, and always talking about her kid.
Who are you telling? Okay, like the first day I told you, don't even engage this bitch because I know what it's gonna be.
Like, I thought she would be past it by now, but, you know, it just keeps coming up. Her and the kids and everything, I get, but, you know, Lil B.
I mean, if it's little, I don't even think they're Lil B's kids, to be honest.
She probably don't know.
Because if she has, like, more than one kid by him, like, that means that they probably slept together more than one time, which I find hard to believe.
When Shantae was going to take Candy out to get some lunch, she overheard Candy talking on the phone about Shantae's kids.
Who the hell you talking about?
Oh shit, I gotta go.
Hell nah. You know what? I figure we close and everything, but you think I'm a country bitch?
No one is talking about
That you can talk about me like I'm trash.
No
You
one is
didn't talk about me like I'm nothing.
No one is talking
And
about
that's when their friendship took a turn.
Why you taking your gas off?
I need you to back up. So pretty much
Candy decided to be the bigger person and patch things up with Shantae.
I can see that, you know, like you're actually not like, you're actually like an okay person, you know? And like, I guess, you know, we can be friends, Shantae.
Candy, you serious?
Yes.
Oh, I miss you, girl.
Later in the house, when Shantae started to see that Candy was starting all the fights, even the fight between her, Rosie, and Regina, Shantae decided to get her revenge on the last day.
You know what? This bitch Candy think I'm stupid. This motherfucker trying to be my friend after all that shit she done did. Hell no. You know what? I got a plan for that bitch. Last day.
Crazy bitch Shantae calls me over to push me in the fucking face. Like, who does that?
On the last day in the house, Shantae first pretended to be Candy's friend, and then she went out with a big bang, thus ending the friendship between Candy and Shantae.
Oh, and you're gonna leave tomorrow morning.
Man, fuck this shit.
Fuck you. Produce.
I ain't going back.
No, Shantae, don't run away. Shantae, come back. Come back. Oh god, she's drunk.
Mimi and Rosie were the first ever original best friends in Ratchet Girls Club history.
So like Superwoman, Wonder Woman, my bad.
I can read some Christmas. Here we go. I like those. You should get those.
Oh, I really like these. These are too cute.
No, the other ones are sexier. Baby. I can get these for my grandmother. Happy birthday. Oh my goodness.
That's too funny.
Jealous of their friendship, Devin and Candy plotted to try to separate them by putting ranch in Mimi's ice cream.
Like, are we three? I guess so. We didn't talk to their mom anymore. We should. Make it delicious. She gets better than she already is. Me and Devin were in the kitchen and we're having some pie. And we decided to get back at Mimi. We were gonna fuck with her food because her mom makes her fucking ice cream. Like, who does that anyway? Yeah.
She'll never know.
She won't. She'll be delicious.
Stupid old hoe.
Cream.
No, who the fuck put ranch in my damn ice cream? What is ranch? What did you do to my ice cream? There's ranch in my ice cream. I know you did it. What's the problem? Oh my god.
After confronting Candy about the ice cream, Candy lied to Mimi and told her Rosie was the one who put the ranch in her ice cream.
I guess, like, I just thought I'd tell you, like, you came at me crazy and shit, which is why I didn't tell you to begin, but, like, I'm not even the one who put that shit in your ice cream. Like, I know your mom made it, and like, I understand that that's, you know, something you don't fuck with. It was Rosie. She was mad at you because that one day you didn't want to go to the club with her, so she was like, I'm gonna put ranch in this bitch's ice cream, and her fat ass is gonna eat it too.
Candy told me Rosie put ranch in my ice cream. I don't believe her though, but I'm gonna have to ask her.
After believing Candy, Mimi confronted Rosie and they fought.
What are you talking about?
My ice cream that my mother gave to me.
What ice cream? I wasn't even here for the past week.
I'm sure you did something to it because there's ranch in it.
How would I put ranch in your ice cream?
Who's telling you? Relationship.
I didn't make a number.
Yes, you did.
There isn't one.
Stop.
Who is doing these lies?
Sorry, but that's what the other people told me that I had to get sent home. So I have to pack your bags.
Fuck this. I'll be back for my shit tomorrow.
After feeling betrayed by her own best friend, Rosie decided to kick Mimi out for good by throwing her stuff outside.
Exactly what she deserves. And when she come back tomorrow, that's exactly where her clothes will be waiting.
At the season 1 reunion, Rosie and Mimi came face to face with built-up tension between them and hashed things out at the reunion.
And Mimi, you saw the clip like Candy and Devin, but they put ranch in your ice cream.
I didn't know Rosie didn't put it in my ice cream because I believe Candy for some reason. But Candy's a lying ass bitch.
Because obviously you don't trust
You didn't
your
even
friends.
let me explain.
That's the issue.
Like, you came in there.
Anyway, I don't want to.
You didn't even ask me. You were like, I was a traitor to my friends, and then you jumped on me. So
You didn't answer quick enough. You were too slow.
Ooh,
you didn't even ask me.
I did.
You didn't let me say anything. You were already standing
You should have
up.
said it faster.
What am I supposed to talk like? What do you mean?
Even though Mimi found out at the reunion that Rosie wasn't the one who put the ranch in her ice cream, for some reason she did not want to rekindle things, thus ending the friendship between those two.
I tried to tell you. You still didn't listen. After the fight, I told you, and you still didn't listen.
Next time, try harder. Maybe you wouldn't got your ass beat.
Bitch. Whatever.
Candy is a dick still.
Being best friends before the show, Candy and Regina came to season 1 and turned the show upside down.
They obviously don't know what it's about, okay? Y'all
You're being too loud.
you need to turn it down 2 notches, okay?
Do not
We do, but like, we definitely succeeded.
Exactly. I'm so glad of that.
Two bitches out. We work in one day. Exactly.
No, like,
Regina and Candy, bitch. Team Regina and Candy, we run this shit. Thank you. We're around this shit. We run Ratchet Girls Club.
However, during season 2, their friendship went downhill over Regina's boyfriend because Regina found out that Candy was sleeping with her man.
I got a job, bitch. Okay? And so? You tryna, bitch, I will set you on fire. Bitch, you don't, bitch, one, bitch, I will shoot one person, one, bitch, I'll fucking up, bitch, I don't know who the fuck you going off on like that. I can't stand your fucking ass. I'll punch you in the fucking face right now. I'm sick of your shit. You can go, like, no, I'm so done with you. I will fuck you up, bitch. Don't fall asleep tonight, because I will fuck you up. I'm so tired of you. You stupid hoe ass. So it's my problem that you're a pussy. You can't man. Bitch. That's why your hair so it's my problem. Asshole. Not soda. Oh my gosh, you knocked over soda. I'm so scared. Ooh, I'm scared. Your man, so what? Ooh, bitch, you be scared. I'm scared. Bitch, that's why you don't make no money. You make $2 a night. $2 a fucking night, bitch. Because you can't twerk. I don't need to make money. Your nigga make money for me. He gives it to on the pole and drop it like it's hot. Bitch, you drop it like it's cold. You so fucking sad. You suck. You fucking suck. Regina, can you get out of here? Okay, I'm sucky ass. I'm done with you. I'm more mature. Be more mature, okay? Get your ass out of here. Shit. Now you gotta take care of your goddamn kids. I don't even know where they are. And Candy is a dick. stealing bitch. That bitch try to fuck my nigga. I'ma fuck up. It's okay though. It's okay though because when I go to the strip club, bitches be throwing money at me. They forget about her skinny ass and they throw money at me. Fuck her. Fuck her. I can't stand her bitch ass. Hello.
During season 3, Kandi made an effort to try to become friends with Regina again until she dropped the news that Kandi was marrying Regina's ex-boyfriend, which did not sit with Regina at all.
I mean, she's told me. Thank you. So, how y'all been?
Good. Me and my husband are fine.
What? Wait, which husband?
Enrique, we got married this summer.
It was such a basic ass bitch. It's okay. It's okay. I make money on my own. You can marry into it.
You can make money on your own.
Okay, you big bitch.
Really? Regina.
Don't touch me.
It's not even that serious. Like, are you serious right now? I would have invited you to the wedding, but I knew you weren't gonna act crazy, so.
You would have invited me to my ex-boyfriend's wedding?
He wanted you to come. I wanted you to come.
The both of you ain't shit. The both of y'all can suck my dick if I got a sex switch surgery. Both of y'all can suck it.
I'm saying, like, it's not even that serious. The fact that you're making it seem like it's something other than it is, I don't understand. We could be enjoying this money together right now.
He was my ex-boyfriend. You were my best friend.
You weren't even using his money when you were with him. Like, what was the point of you being with him?
What do you mean? All those vacations I took you on with his
vacations?
money?
Vacations? I can pay for my own airfare. You need to think about what'll happen when you're older and you're not as cute. What are you gonna do?
I will always be cute. I need some air. I can't handle this.
Okay then, bitch, be broke.
Already a couple of hours into the first day of season 3, Regina already got tired of Kandi and wanted her out the house for good.
I need to talk to you because I'm sick and tired of all that shit that you've been spewing.
During the end of season 3, Kandi finally apologized when Regina got sent home for fighting Rosie, and these two somewhat decided to be cordial with each other.
This thing's getting old anyway, like 3 seasons. This show's not worth it.
But you didn't stay till the end last season.
I stayed till the end in the first season. That's all. Like I'm a major person in this house. Like I don't care if I stay till the end. I'm still a favorite.
I guess that's true, but I'm gonna be sad to see you go.
Really? Kandi, it's gonna be sad to see someone go. Wow. Improvement.
Unless, you know, your familiar face.
Well, I do thank you for telling me about, was it Rosebush? Thank you.
So yeah, whatever. But I guess it's like, I feel bad because, like, you know, I feel like I should apologize, but like, I'm not sorry, you know, but I still want to be your friend. Like,
I guess that's the best that you can give, but whatever. Then I accept your pseudo apology.
Not apology.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. Oh, I'll see you.
Yeah.